Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you the sidewalk roll. This is a neat little roll. I think you'll like it. It's really a half roll, but it's also a walking roll. I'll just show you what I mean. So we're gonna lie on our side, and we're gonna if you were above me, it would look like I'm running or walking, maybe a nice leisurely stroll. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna rotate or reach. We're just gonna reach, flipping back and forth on this same side. I'll show you, let me just hush and tell you what I'm talking about. So we start on our side, and our right leg goes, our right arm goes back, and we're gonna look back at that right hand and rotate our spine. Oh, this feels good. And what's cool is gravity, if you let it, will pull this leg to the floor, which gives you a nice stretch on your TFL area right here on the side of your hip. Feels good. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick our head up, and we're gonna simultaneously reach and stretch. And this feels pretty daggone good too. And so now we're like running, the other way. And these two, they don't do really anything, we're just lying on them. But if you were still standing over me, it'd still look like I was kind of running. And then we're gonna come back here, reach. Here, we're getting good rotation in the spine. We're activating the vestibular system. We're leading with our eyes and our head. In this reach here, you'll get a nice fascial stretch. And you can play in slow motion. You can play with how far you reach this way too. Oh, that's the ticket right there. Yep, you're gonna like this. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry, I'm filming. And we gotta continue back. But this is the sidewalk roll. Feels really good, but we are lengthening, reaching. It's a good fascial stretch where we're getting good rotation in the spine. We are activating the vestibular system. And if we do this in slow motion, well, then we're working on, obviously, control. And that reach, that's the ticket. And then if you just kind of relax, that also feels good too. So give this a shot. I really think you're gonna love this. Lots of benefit to it. And it's groundwork, it's floor work. This is where life happens, or where the ability to live life happens, because this is where we build our strength and fill in our nooks and crannies. Anyway, that's our tip for this week, the sidewalk roll. Give that a shot, let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we will see you next time, right here on the Original Strength YouTube channel.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.